How to earn more than $10,000 without showing your face on YouTube. In this video, I will show you all the steps, step by step. So watch it carefully until the end of the video. There is a channel called Magnets Media. One of the most profitable segments is commercial bus stories, documentaries. Well, now this channel is simply video about why Netflix is collapsing. Either they're homeless teenagers or they make video or other interesting things. That's right, so making this video is very easy and they're completely faceless, and I'm going to show you exactly how to generate this video using artificial intelligence. When we come to Social Blade, as you can see, the recurring revenue is $20,000 per month, earning more than $35 per thousand view. Because we have channels in this particular niche, so they earn 8 to 10 times more. So, as I said, they earn close to $20,000 a month or $2 million a year, which is actually not much on YouTube. The highest paid YouTuber made $58 million in Google and revenue alone of the last year, as $2 million is pretty double if you have a channel that size. So let's go ahead and get into exactly how we can make a video or channel like this model to get a lot of viewers and make a lot of money. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at some of their latest videos on the channel. So we pick one of these videos. JP Morgan, the man who owned America, is good because it's banker. So we can go ahead and click that. At this stage, we need to create a script. We don't want to create it ourselves. We want to use artificial intelligence to do the work. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit show transcribed. We are going to be shown the full text and we are going to go step by step. As you can see, it's just like a very long script. So what we're going to do is piecemeal. To do that, I'm going to copy, for example, the first chapter, which is the introduction, and then what I'm going to do is we are going to go to the chat GPT. We can say, can you rewrite this script or video script, and then go ahead and plug in the first part, and then we'll hit the go button again. And what you're going to do is pull out the video script. As you can see right here is a brand new copyright free video script that we can use. And you're going to do this for each chapter. It's probably going to take 5 to 10 minutes, but when you have each paragraph, what we can do is use an AI voiceover. So the second step is to get the AI voice to read your script so we don't have to. Let's do it ourselves, so we'll copy this new script and paste it here on the A11 Labs platform. And you can easily choose a voice here. Usually the British voice has a great claim accent, which is suitable for a commercial documentary. So if you like, you can pick it up so you can get cool sound using this platform. So that's exactly what we're trying to do. But at this point, we need a video editor that we can use Fiverr that can do different projects with reasonable budget for you. Of course, you can outsource your video editing to any freelancer. The only thing is that they should have a strong portfolio in order for them to deliver a professional video to you. The bottom line is that the more attractive your video is, the more views they will have on YouTube and the more income you can earn.